Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm showing you guys a month and a half update on all of the plants and seeds that I planted. You will see, like, these ones are not a month and a half, they're less than that, but I'm still going to include them so that you guys can just see everything. I want to show you guys everything. So yeah, let's get right on. So we got basil here. This is an African daisy. I know it looks like a weed, but it's not. This is a pansy plant. That's dahlia. This is cilantro. And then we got salvia. Ooh, my camera's having a hard time focusing. I'm sorry, guys. Salvia, that's red. Cardinal climber, African daisies. And then we come over here to this table. I kind of got zinnias and basil, cucumbers, nasturtium. That real tall one right there is a Cosmo. Let me just move the light around because it's kind of busybody here. More nasturtium. Oops, almost dropped the light. The plants that you see that are a little bit yellowing, that is from them being a little too much water. So one of my sons, he really likes plants and he overwatered some of my stuff. So, I mean, it's okay. Like it's not going to kill them, but, it does, you know, make it a little bit more challenging because, you know, they're overwatered. So, but the good part is the light actually, helps to take, you know, some of the dampness out of the plant because it's drying it out. So yeah, zinnias back there, more nasturtium, cucumber plants. Like I said, they're a little yellow. Those are green peppers, nasturtium back there. And then let me show you guys what I got in the greenhouse. Okay guys, so I'm showing you one of the greenhouses. So this is the bottom shelf. We got tomato plants, zinnia, some larkspur right here. I can't believe I actually got larkspur to grow. Usually larkspur is a little bit difficult because of like germination and stuff. It's kind of finicky, but I do have a couple of those. I have another larkspur back there. Tomato plants galore, tons of them. We got a Cosmo there, morning glory in the back. And then up here, I have pumpkins and calendula, rudbeckia or black-eyed Susan. Cucumber there. Tons of zinnias and calendula back there. If you guys have been watching me for a while, you know I love zinnias. I would probably say they're my favorite flower to grow, and they're the easiest flower to grow. And then I got verbena here. I think this is petunia. I don't have everything labeled because I had to repot a lot of stuff. But I pretty much know by looking at the leaves of what is what. Like this is rudbeckia. These two are. And here's that one. Oh, I can't think of how. I don't know how to say it. Amaranth. Amaranth. I don't know. It's a red edible plant. It's really pretty. It's full sun. And then let's go up here. More tomato plants, calendula. And I got a bunch of stuff growing back there. African daisies, cucumbers, cantaloupe. And then the last thing I got are just some seedlings. Let's see here. Cosmos. We do have a mushroom in there. How random. Snapdragons and some, oh, I can't think of the name. African daisies. So let me show you the rest. And then this is what I got on one of the other shelves in the other greenhouse. Once again, just a bunch of mixed plants. Those are coleus with the red. Zinnias. Cosmos, salvia. dahlia. I think I have 2 dahlia plants here. For some reason, dahlia just does not grow well, guys. I don't know what the situation is with it. I don't know, but... And then tons of tomatoes. Those are pansies. Those are spring flowers. I'm going to put those out in the spring. African marigolds, which I love. Those are the ones that get super, super tall. And cucumbers. Over there, some zinnia. And then on the bottom shelf, we got pumpkin, petunia, peppers, cosmos, some sweet basil in the back, Genovese basil as well back there. So yeah, if you guys have any questions or anything you guys know, leave it in the comment box. I'm really familiar with a lot of plants and flowers, so just let me know, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.